from where I've done my graduation. If I talk about my family, my father is an electrician and my mother is tailor. My hobbies are playing outdoor games, especially cricket and badminton. In my free time, I usually make drawings and sketches. I want to join Indian Air Force because it's a job full of adventure, pride, and satisfaction. And I want to improve the financial condition of my family. So these are some reasons. That's why I want to join Air Force. Now I would like to come to my topic, that is on education policy, which is implemented on July 2020. To getting proper basic education is the birthright of every children, to get their individual prospect and education. And
Good afternoon to all of you. My name is M. Singhal. I am from Kanpur. I have completed my graduation this year from Kanpur University. My father is a farmer. My mother is a homemaker. And in my free time, I like to play cricket and reading the holy books is also my hobby. I want to join Indian Air Force because at a early age we get a chance to serve our nation and improve the economic condition of our family. Also, now I would like to come my topic. Topic is new education policy. New education policy which is implemented July 2020. We all know that education is the system that is a, that will take our life in the bright side. And so the changement in the education system is very is a need for our developing country. So our government take this decision to changement in the education system because now our education system is not good because the education system is only bookish knowledge and that's don't provide us how to live our livelihood in the future. But due to new policy, we can learn and we can improve the skill in our own child. That is very good for the country.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Anand Chan. I am from Madhapur, Kanpur Nagar. My district Kanpur is famous for the Manchester of North India. I have completed my intermediate from Pivot Prayagraj. My hobbies are playing outdoor games and listening music. I am cheerful and cooperative by the nature. I easily adjust with all kinds of environment. I am physically fit and mentally strong. Indian Air Force is the most respected job in our society, and it's no reservation and no discrimination based on color, caste, religion, and selection purely on merit basis. I want to join Indian Air Force because I want to touch the sky with glory. We gather here for the group discussion. So I come to the topic. The topic is new education policy, which was given by our respected sir. In my opinion, the education is basic need for everyone because if we are educated, we can do anything for their livelihood. And the new education policy will come in future. And the new education policy replaces our 10 plus 2 section in the 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. And the new education policy a system for a compulsory subject and is provide a subject for in our future. And I want to say that the new education policy is very good for everyone because it provides a lot of facilities and it provides foreign languages and it provides education in same as in coming in foreign.
Good afternoon, gentlemen. As far as my introduction is concerned, I am Balram Dubey. I hail from Kanpur. I was born and brought up in Kanpur, which is famous for leather industry. I tell about my family background. My father is a farmer and my mother is a housewife. We are four siblings. I tell about my education. In 2018, I have completed my 12th standard with 82% marks, and I am pursuing for BSc and also preparing for Indian Air Force. My hobbies are playing cricket and Rajan in the morning. The positive personality are that I am good learner, diligent, and smart worker. To become the part of Indian Air Force has been the dream of my life since my childhood. To accomplish this dream and as well as to support my family, I want to join Indian Air Force. Today we are here to discuss about the topic. The topic is new education policy. In July 2020, our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched a new scheme as known as the new education policy. It is a very good step in my thinking because in the past time the education policy of India is not very good because it is only basic bookies. But with the implementation of new education policy, we can get a chance to practical knowledge, and many foreign universities are implemented on the our country so that we can learn different languages from the different countries, and examination will be only held for five, 3, 5, and 8 standards, and it will change the old African policy.
Good afternoon to all of you. I am Shadab Ahmed from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. My father, Mr. Mendesan, is a farmer. My mother is a housewife. If I talk about my qualification, I have completed 10 plus 2 from UP Board with 85% marks and now pursuing graduation. My hobbies are playing cricket and watch movies. In spare time, I read motivational books as Wings of Fire and Vikas ka Vyaktittva. My mission to join Indian Air Force as an air warrior because it is my parent dream. We are gathered here to discuss a topic. Topic is new education policy. In my point of view, there are three education policy which has been come till now. First come 1968, second was in 1986, and third which came in after 34 years in 2020, July 2020. The new zone policies has been taken the place of HRD ministry, and it is based on 533 plus 3 plus 4, and it is a good for the children. The most thing which inspired me that if someone is doing graduation, BA, BSc or BTech, if sometime he realize that it is not good for him, he can put it easily and take certificate.
Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon to all of my ED friends. My name is Harsh. My father's name is Mr. Ramchandra Prajapati. I belong to UP at Kanpur. I have completed my 10th with 87% marks and 12th with 88% marks from UP board. Recently, I have completed my graduation from CSJM University, Kanpur Nagar. My hobbies are playing cricket, watching movies, and reading newspaper. My 10th point is that I am self-motivated and laborious boy. I want to join Indian Air Force as an airman because it gives us equality to the all sector boys and adventurous life also. I would like to come to my topic. The today's topic given to us is new education policy. As we know that education is the basic need of everyone, and as we know there is a great proverb said by Nelson Mandela. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. New education policy, which was implemented on the month of July 2020, it will replace 10 plus 2 is equal to 5. 10 plus 2, 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4. If the main aim of is to increase the education standard in India, and the result of it will be that every child and every student will go from.
Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon to all of you. My name is Arpit Tiwari. I am from Kanpur. My father name is Mr. Pradeep Kumar Tiwari. His occupation is farming. Now I am pursuing my BSc third year from Kanpur University. My hobby is playing cricket, and in my free time I like to sing a song. And now I come to the topic that is given to us is new education policy. As we know that our honorable Prime Minister keeps launching many campaigns like Digital India, e-learning. In the serial of campaign, our Prime Minister launched new education policy on July 2020. Some students believe that this is very good, and some students believe that this is not good. They are afraid from this because it is very necessary to change our education system. I hope that new education policy will be very good.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Harshit Katia. I hail from Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. My father's name is Mr. Pankaj Katia. I did my 12th in 2017. Now I am pursuing graduation from Kanpur University. My hobbies are reading books and newspaper, and also playing cricket. I want to join Indian Air Force as an airman, so I am present here for a good discussion. Today's topic is New Education Policy 2020. As we know that every child have a right to get proper right education. So our government approved a policy called New Education Policy 2020. It will be replaced old education policy 1986. In this policy, 10 plus 2 format will be replaced by 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4, and its aim to achieve gross education ratio 100% in preschool and 50% higher education. As we know that there are many benefits of this in this policy, as vocational training will be mainstream education in our schools, and also we spend 6% of GDP, as today we spend only 4.6% of total GDP. And we and there and right to education will be extended from 14 to 18 years. And as many critics are saying that in corona period our economy is continuously shrinking, how can we implement it easily? Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir, and all of my friends. My name is Shreyas Rao. I'm 17 years old. I born and brought up in my village, Mathur district, Fatehpur, Uttar Pradesh. I completed my 10 plus 2 from Ghatampur, Kanpur Nagar. In current, I am doing graduation with the Kanpur University. My parents teaches us a square deal manner. I am positive and hard worker. I am good learner and listener. My hobbies are reading historical knowledgeable books which give me new knowledge. To become the part of differentiate is my dream. Friends, the topic given to us today for the discussion is a new Indian policy, new education policy. Friends, as we know that education is a part and parcel for the people. It help us to increase our social life, and as we all know that in current education system totally depend upon books, which is not good and not give proper guidance to the youth. And our government also know very well this dark side of the education. Then they are implemented new education policy, and in the new education policy everything will be practical, and it is good for the youth and the student. And in my personal opinion, that education new education policy is good for our country, and it is good for a new skill and talent.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ritik Sachan. I am from Katanpur, Kanpur. My father name is Ritik Sachan. My hobbies are singing, song, dancing, and playing outdoor. I have pursued my 12th from Marfi, then Mokul College. Now I'm pursuing Bachelor of Science from Dinta Mahavidyalaya. I want to join the Indian Air Force because Air Force is my life early career and equal to the all sector boys and adventures life too. Now I'm going to speak about the base of the development of any country, and that is the education. I think education is a very important factor of the of any life of the person. And now I'm going to speak about the new education policy which was implemented and launched in month of July 2020. I think it is very good decision for the citizen of our country, because we are seeing that I think this is the main aim of the education policy is to change the mentality of the any parents and the students also, to connect it with the college and schools. As we know that 10 plus 2 change in that 5 plus 3 plus and 4. And what is the matter behind it? Because we are seeing that when the child go to schools, they find fear there. But in this time, we are seeing that the new technology will be launched in every school. Then child will go there and change the mentality, because in 3 years, the child will find only the environment of the place and a game. I think it will also change the mentality of the children, and they will habitate to go to schools. And as you know that this is the main aim of the children, as in this time we are also seeing that the new education policy is implemented on the higher education. We are saying that 10 top university will come in our India and educate the people. I think competition will be increased in the universities. I think the education find the best education, and I'm saying that the new education policies are most benefited in every sector. The student can go where the any sector where they want. I think this is very good, and I want to say that somewhere is loophole that English is will be implemented after the 5. I think with government will be improved it. I think it is very good for us.